Hello guys, what's up? This is Venkatesh, and in this video, I'm going to talk about Bank of Tron, guys. So, guys, I have just invested for last 2 weeks in this plan, and see, I hope a good result over here. So, this company, they said that this company has been running for last 1 year since 2019. See, recently, my number of company has launched on Trons, Trons Profit, Daily Trons. And Jones dividend. So a lot of company has just launched. They said that there is no admin, nothing, and this is going to pay 10% rate of interest. Everything they said, and they just ran away all the tokens, guys. So there is no genuine concept, and there is no legit. We can't trust anyone very easily. So a lot of scams are going on nowadays because of in this pandemic condition, in this lockdown condition. We should be very smart. We have to make our own investigation on this platform for because a lot of scammers are everywhere. We can't find out a genuine concept, so you just try your own investigation. You should be smart and be careful, guys. Guys, in this video I'm going to talk about Bank of Tron. I just now said that this company has been running for last 1 year, so I just deposited a small amount of investment over here. See guys, let's see what this company says. See guys, there's a Telegram group. You can just go and you can just observe their conversations and their comments over there. um, get 3% so let us discuss about the plan, guys. See, it is a per day. You can come, there are few plans you can invest. Say there's a Trax, TRX Bank, BTT Bank, AS Bank coming soon. So there are new projects coming soon. They say that there are few projects that are going to launch. So see, you can see the total invested over here, and my Tron wallet, you can see over here my Tron, your wallet balance is 3 TRX, guys. I have 3 TRX tokens in my wallet. See, there's a plan. I want to discuss you about the plan. See, this is a diamond plan. Daily always it will be 3.7%, and this is forever plan. You can total return, we can't guess. So the minimum investment is 10 TRS, guys, and there's a fee of 2.5 for the transaction fee. So next one, see guys, platinum plan daily return of interest is 4.7%, and it is for 45 days, and you will return according to your investment. So minimum investment is 10 TRX. And the next one is gold plan, guys, 5.7 percentage, and is for 25 days, and total return is 1.142 percentage, and minimum investment is 10 years, guys. And the next one is that bronze plan, and the daily ROI is 6.7%, and it is for just 18 days. So I invested on the bronze plan, because it is a short, we have small days. Okay guys, this is my referral reward 0.75 TRX, and how to withdraw 89.37164 TRX. See, I'm gonna make a live withdrawal in front of you. Just now I've shown you there are only 3 tokens in my wallet, and there is a referral program. See, my total investment is 200 TRX, and so far I just under 96.6.3 tokens. Okay guys, this is about Bank of Tron. You can see my investments and I have just invested on 2 plans on 4.7%, and 150 tokens on 6.7% daily ROI. My total investment is 200 so far. It is profitable. I've got profit is 96.64. So this is total safe and reliable project, dividend distribute referral program. See, you can just go and make your own investigation, guys. In the description below I'll be given my link, and you can just make your investigation, and you can just deposit your investment, and you can earn profit here. So I'm not sure, guys. So make your own investigation. You can contact them. You can contact us. There's a Telegram group, you can contact from there. Or so guys, this is about Bank of Tron. I just want to make withdrawal in front of you live. So 89 point, so let me withdraw, guys. So this is a confirmation. Okay guys, it is in the processing withdraw. Okay, I have done withdrawn, guys. See, there is 0.00 something. So let us get into the wallet and check. have I got my withdrawal or not. Let me refresh, guys. Okay, guys, this is my wallet. I have got my 92 18 TRX tokens. See, you can see here or there one my wallet. I have reached successfully had my withdrawal. So this is the plan, guys. If you really like my video, please subscribe and share this information to your friends. Let them know there is a genuine company, paying company. Just guys, I just recommend you not to invest a huge, just you can go for 1000 TRX or 500. You can start with a small investment. If you once you trust, you can just invest a huge, I mean huge, like huge means just go on reinvest where you can get once you trust them, you can invest, go for like 2000 3000. You can just go on increase your investment. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video. I'll be coming with more videos, so for that you just need to subscribe my channel and press bell button. You'll be getting more notifications on my channel. Thank you guys.